Men's testosterone levels have been dropping by 1% per year for the past 20 years. That means your testosterone is probably way lower than it should be, and you don't even know it. Let's cut to the chase. I'll show you 7 signs of low testosterone and 3 ways to fix it. Number 1, you're gaining weight, no matter what you eat. Ever wonder why your friend can eat McDonald's all day and still stay ripped, while you gain weight no matter how healthy you try to eat? It's probably low testosterone. A study of 5,959 men found that those with low testosterone stored fat faster than men with higher testosterone, no matter what they ate. How can you tell if this is happening to you? Use an online BMI calculator. If your BMI is over 25, there's a good chance your testosterone is low. This test isn't perfect, but it's a start. Keep watching for more signs. Number 2, you can't grow facial hair. Struggling to grow a beard? It might not just be genetics, it could be low testosterone. Here's a quick test. Scan your body. If you've got hair in 3 places like your chest, back, or neck, but none on your face, your testosterone might be the issue. If you barely have any body hair, it's probably genetics. But if you've got hair everywhere except your face, your testosterone is likely low. Fix number 1, improve your sleep. Getting quality sleep is one of the most effective ways to boost testosterone, yet it's something many men overlook. You might think staying up late to watch TV or check your phone isn't a big deal, but every hour of sleep you miss is directly impacting your testosterone levels. Studies show that men who sleep only 5 to 6 hours a night have testosterone levels similar to men 10 years older. It's not just about feeling tired the next day. Chronic sleep deprivation will leave you with permanently low testosterone, reduced muscle mass, lower energy, and a diminished sex drive. So how do you fix your sleep to maximize your testosterone production? It starts with setting up a routine that helps your body wind down properly. You can't just expect to fall asleep after staring at a screen for hours. The blue light from phones, laptops, and TVs tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime, blocking the production of melatonin, the hormone that makes you feel sleepy. Here's how to improve your sleep and raise your testosterone. Use blue light blocking glasses. Wear blue light blocking glasses at least 1 to 2 hours before bed. This helps signal to your brain that it's time to wind down. The glasses filter out the blue light that messes with your sleep cycle, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Create a red light environment. Switch to red light bulbs in your bedroom. Red light doesn't interfere with your melatonin production the way blue light does. It helps you get into a more relaxed state, making it easier for your body to naturally fall asleep and recover, which is critical for testosterone production. Eliminate light with an eye mask. If you can't make your room completely dark, wearing an eye mask can help. Darkness signals to your brain that it's nighttime and triggers melatonin production. Even small amounts of light can disrupt your sleep quality and lower your testosterone. Stick to a routine. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Your body loves consistency, and maintaining a routine helps regulate your internal clock. When your body knows when to expect sleep, it can produce the right hormones at the right times, including testosterone. Getting better sleep doesn't just help with testosterone, it improves your overall well-being. You'll have more energy, sharper focus, and better recovery from workouts, all because your body is producing testosterone properly again. By making these simple adjustments to your nighttime routine, you'll sleep better and see a noticeable difference in how you feel and perform. Better sleep equals higher testosterone, and higher testosterone means better muscle growth, more energy, and improved mental clarity. Number 3, your ring finger is shorter than your index finger. Take a look at your hands. If your ring finger is shorter than your index finger, you probably had lower testosterone exposure in the womb. Men with longer ring fingers tend to have higher testosterone levels and build muscle more easily. It's a rough indicator, but if your index finger is longer, your testosterone might be lower than it should be. Number 4, you have a feminine face. Testosterone shapes your face. Men with higher testosterone have more defined jaws, stronger cheekbones, and thicker brows. If your face is softer and more feminine looking, it could be a sign of low testosterone. Look in the mirror. If your jawline is soft and your cheekbones aren't defined, you might have low testosterone. Fix number 2. Use a sauna. To naturally boost your testosterone and growth hormone, try using a sauna. Studies show that spending 30 minutes in the sauna 4 times in one day can increase growth hormone by 16 times. If you don't have access to a sauna, you can get a sauna blanket, which uses infrared light to give you the same benefits. Do this once a week and you'll notice your testosterone levels rise. Number 5. You're afraid of competition. Do you avoid competition because you're scared of losing? A study showed that men with low testosterone are more likely to avoid competition and feel threatened by other men. On the flip side, men with high testosterone seek out challenges and aren't afraid of competition. If you're constantly avoiding challenges or feel insecure around other men, your testosterone might be low. Fix number 3. Red light therapy. Testosterone levels drop in the winter because of less sunlight, which contains red light that boosts testosterone. You can mimic sunlight with red light therapy at home. Just get some red light bulbs, put them in a lamp, and spend time under them each day. This will help keep your testosterone levels up even when there's no sun. Number 6. Low energy and constant fatigue. One of the most telling signs of low testosterone is a constant feeling of fatigue. You're tired all the time, even after getting what seems like a full night's rest. You're dragging through the day, struggling to stay awake or to focus, and by the afternoon, you're reaching for more caffeine or energy drinks just to make it through. It's not that you're lazy, your body is running on empty, and low testosterone is likely to blame. Testosterone plays a significant role in energy production. When your levels are low, your body struggles to generate the energy needed to power through workouts, daily tasks, or even simple activities. This isn't just about being physically tired. Your mental sharpness and motivation are also affected. You might notice you're less productive at work or less inclined to hit the gym. Over time, this can spiral into feelings of depression or frustration because you can't seem to muster the energy to get things done. What's worse is that this energy drain doesn't get better with more rest. If you're constantly feeling tired despite getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep, it could be due to low testosterone levels. The energy your body should naturally produce is depleted, leaving you sluggish and mentally foggy. The good news is that fixing your testosterone levels will naturally boost your energy. You'll notice a difference in how awake and alert you feel throughout the day, and your workouts will improve because you won't be running on fumes. Follow the steps in this guide, like improving your sleep, exercising, and using red light therapy, to naturally increase your testosterone and regain the energy that low levels have been stealing from you. If you've got more than one of these signs, it's time to take action. Start with the 3 fixes. Improve your sleep, use a sauna or sauna blanket, and try red light therapy. These simple changes will help boost your testosterone naturally. Don't sit back and let low testosterone control your life. Take charge now. The more competitive man doesn't just worry about his testosterone levels, he does something about them. So, are you going to take action or stay the same? It's up to you. If you like this video, hit the like button. It helps others find this content, and that helps me too. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.